how you can see your debit card number on the Barclays app. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, open the Barclays app on your phone and log in with your username and password. Once you are inside, look for the section that says Cards or something similar. Now, tap on your debit card to open its details. Then, you might see some information like your card's name and expiry date. To see your full debit card number, you will need to find the option that says Show Card Number or View Card Details. Sometimes the app will ask you to enter your PIN or use fingerprint or Face ID to keep your card safe. After that, your full debit card number will appear on the screen. Make sure you don't share this number with anyone you don't trust. When you finish, you can close the card details and log out if you want to be safe. And that's it. That's how you can see your debit card number on the Barclays app.